Hey guys, it's Sarah, Sales and Education for Milk Makeup. Luminous Blur Stick. Luminous Blur Stick. It's here. It's here now. If you like blur, you're gonna love this. It's an oil-free, silicone-free, luminous matte finish primer that works on all skin tones. This golden pearl-infused formula gives you a luminous matte look. With the blurring microspheres, you're gonna be poreless all day. It's also vegan, cruelty-free, and gluten-free. Can you believe it? With all the blur products, you get a perfect finish, but now you just get one with a little extra glow. After prepping your skin with skincare, you want to follow up with Luminous Blur Stick all over your face, just like any other primer, and blend out. As you can see, just like OG Blur Stick, it gives me perfect pores, no oil, but with a luminous finish. And if you want, you can add it on your shoulders and collarbone for a little extra shimmer. Get that glow. Now I'm gonna show you one side of my face with OG Blur Stick and the other side with Luminous Blur Stick. Let's start with OG Blur Stick. I smooth it all over the skin and blend for a perfected matte finish. As you can see, it's super mattifying and way smoothing. And now I'm gonna apply Luminous Blur Stick to this side. As you can see, I have an OG matte finish on this side and a luminous matte finish on this side. For a drier skin type, I like to use sunshine oil first. It gives a little bit of glow and extra hydration. With an oily skin, I like to prep with matcha cleanser and toner for a more purified look. For a combination skin, those of us that are a little dry, a little oily, I like to use Original Blur Stick in the center of my face to control oil, and then Luminous Blur on the outside to give me that glow. When you want that matte, smooth finish, you prime with Blur Stick. When you want that glowy, luminous finish, you're gonna prime with Luminous Blur Stick. I love changing the effect of Blur Liquid Matte Foundation by picking which primer I'm gonna use. With regular Blur Stick, I get that really smooth, matte, long-wearing finish. And with Luminous Blur Stick, I get that lit from within golden glow. Okay guys, that's it, Luminous Blur Stick. It's all you need to know. Now go get it. Bye. Bye.